Himachal Pradesh star campaigners and prominent leaders of various political parties are engaged in public meetings and door-to-door visits. Meanwhile, in Gujarat, all major political parties began campaigning for the first phase of assembly polls. The Supreme Court today upheld the validity of the 103rd Amendment of the Constitution, which provides 10% reservation for economically weaker sections in admissions and government jobs. Indian Air Force will start online registration of Agni Veer Vayu at 5 p.m. this evening and will close on 23rd of this month. The application process will be carried out online mode only. Army Commanders Conference has begun in New Delhi today to brainstorm on current and emerging security and chart the future course for the Indian Army. Nongkrem dance of the Khairim Siem ship is celebrated in the state with traditional gaiety.